Welcome back to the Series 2009 Donation Reporting Overview. This is Part 2, Blue Receipt Activity Report. In Part 2, we will review the Blue Receipt Activity Report and Export. It was created to gather information regarding Blue Receipts, which are coded as A2H Local and Ceres, with an option to create an export file to send the report to Feeding America. We will cover the steps for handling this report in just a moment. The Blue Receipt Activity Report and Export can be found by going to Departments, Warehouse, Inventory, Reports and Analysis, and Blue Receipt Activity Report. To run the Blue Receipt Activity Report and Export, click here. This will open up the Blue Receipt Activity Report window. Here you must enter your A2H Feeding America affiliate number. If you do not know your number, you can use the drop-down and search through the list to locate your food bank and select. Once you've selected or entered your number, you want to make sure that you uncheck the Create Export File box so that you can preview the information that will be included in the Blue Receipt Activity Export. The reason you want to preview the information is so that you can make sure that all receipts that you expect to be included during the time frame are included in the file. To restrict the entries included on the report, enter a posting date range in the Donor Receipt section and click Preview to view the results. Here you enter the posting date range and then click Preview to see what receipts will be included in the export. You'll review the receipts, and if you notice that there is a receipt included that should not be included, or you notice that there are receipts that are not included in the report, then you'll know that you need to make some adjustments before you export the file. To determine how to correct receipts, you will need to review the FA reporting and UNC coding document that is available on HungerNet. Once you have updated all of the Blue Receipts to be included in your Blue Receipt Activity Report, return to the Reports and Analysis window and select the Blue Receipt Activity Report. Again, you'll want to preview before you actually create the export. Re-enter your posting date range, and then click on Preview to make sure that all of the receipts are included in your export file. Once you've confirmed that all of the information is correct, you can run the activity report and select the Create Export file. If the file name already exists, you will need to update it so that it corresponds with the current time frame for which you are running the report. You will update it here, and you'll notice that the file name for the report includes Blue Receipt, your food bank ID number, the month, and the year. Note, if you are using remote desktop to the Feeding America hosted site, you will need to export the file to a specific location. This information will be provided by Feeding America, and they can assist you with any issues exporting the file. To restrict the entries included on the report, you'll enter the posting date range again in the Donor Receipt section. And then you can go ahead and click on Preview if you want to preview on your screen again, or you can simply click on Print. And if you click on Print, you can decide if you want to print it to a PDF file or to a printer at the same time the export file is being created. In this case, I'll click on Preview, and I can preview the report again, and at the same time, my export file will be created. I will then browse to the folder where the file is supposed to be created to confirm that it was in fact created. I locate it here, and this is the file that I will send to Feeding America for their review. This concludes Part 2 of the Donor Reporting Overview class. Please join us for Part 3, Food Drive and Parent Donor Statements. Thank you.